Oh, Major. Pat tells me that you're something of an authority on weapons. I thought you might like to have these.
Dueling pistols.
Now, this is mighty kind of you, Jim. Just about the finest I ever saw. Wonderful. Wonderful balance. Made by John Knock of London. None better. They've been used.
Yes, they belong to my father.
Oh. Jim, I know how proud you are of his memory.
We loved him, Major. We were just as proud of him when he was alive.
Man's honor and his good name are his finest possessions.